Hey there, beautiful soul. Welcome back to Wisdom Harmony 101, where we turn life's challenges into stepping stones. Today, we're diving into something we all crave, the secret to making our plans actually work out the way we envision them. You know that feeling when nothing goes as planned? When life keeps throwing curveballs, and you wonder if you're doing something wrong? Well, I've got news for you. There is a way to dramatically increase your success rate, and it's simpler than you think. It's not about controlling everything, it's about mastering the art of flexible planning. Let me share something that changed my life forever. Years ago, I was the queen of rigid plans. Every detail mapped out, every minute scheduled. And you know what? I was miserable because life kept ruining my perfect plans. Then I discovered the 3-layer planning method, and everything shifted. First layer, set your non-negotiable core intention. Not the details, just the essence. Want a promotion? Your core intention isn't get promoted by June, it's grow professionally and increase my value. See the difference? One is rigid, one flows with life. Second layer, create multiple pathways. Think of it like GPS navigation. When there's traffic, it reroutes you, but you still reach your destination. Plan A didn't work? Beautiful, you've got plan B and C ready. This isn't pessimism, it's wisdom. Here's what most people miss. They plan the what, but forget the why and the who. Why do you want this? Who will you become achieving it? When you're clear on these, the how becomes flexible, adaptable, unstoppable. Third layer, and this is crucial, build in celebration checkpoints. Not just for the big win, but for every small step. Sent that email? Celebrate. Made that call? Victory dance. These micro celebrations train your brain to associate action with reward, making you naturally more consistent. Let me tell you about Sarah. She wanted to start a business but kept hitting walls. We applied this method. Her core intention? Create freedom through serving others. She had 3 pathways ready: an online course, coaching services, and digital products. When the course launch flopped, she didn't crumble. She pivoted to coaching, which led her to discover her true calling. Today, she runs a successful practice helping others find their purpose. The magic ingredient? Detached commitment. Be committed to your growth, but detached from the exact form it takes. Water always finds its way, whether as a river, rain, or underground stream. Be like water. Remember, planning isn't about predicting the future. It's about preparing yourself to dance with whatever music life plays. Some days it's jazz, some days it's rock, but you keep dancing. So here's your action plan starting today. First, take that goal you've been struggling with. Strip it down to its core intention. What's the real desire beneath the surface? Write it down. Next, brainstorm 3 different ways to achieve that core intention. Don't judge them, just let them flow. Maybe your dream job isn't available, but could consulting, freelancing, or creating your own position get you there? Open your mind to possibilities. Then identify your first micro step for each pathway. Something you can do in the next 24 hours. Send an email, research for 15 minutes, make 1 phone call. Small actions create momentum, and momentum creates miracles. Here's the practice that will transform everything. Every morning, spend 5 minutes reviewing your core intention and your 3 pathways. Ask yourself, which path feels most alive today? Trust that feeling. Your intuition knows things your logical mind hasn't figured out yet. At night, celebrate whatever step you took, no matter how small. Didn't take any action? Celebrate the awareness. Tomorrow is a new chance. This isn't about perfection, it's about progression. Keep a flexibility journal. When plans change, write down what happened and what you learned. You'll start seeing patterns, understanding how life is actually helping you, not hindering you. Those detours? They're often shortcuts in disguise. The ultimate secret? Plans aren't meant to control life, they're meant to prepare you for life. When you embrace this, you stop being a victim of circumstances and become a master of adaptation. Your plans will work out, maybe not exactly as you imagined, but often better than you dared to dream. The act of planning prepares your mind for success, even when the plan itself needs to change. That's where the real magic lives. You've got this, my friend. Your dreams aren't too big. Your plans aren't naive. You're simply learning to dance with life instead of wrestling with it. Tomorrow's sunrise brings new possibilities, and you're ready for every single one of them. Keep shining, keep growing, and remember, we're in this together.